In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make e-signature in Canva. If you've ever needed a clean professional signature for emails, documents, or social posts, this quick process will help you create one that looks polished and consistent every time. Start by opening your design in Canva. You can use an existing document or a simple blank canvas. Either way, give yourself a bit of space to work so your signature doesn't feel cramped. If your design already has a background color, keep contrast in mind so your signature is easy to read. A light background with a darker signature works great, and vice versa. The first method is the typed look. Add a text box and type your name exactly as you want it to appear. Then switch the font to a script or cursive style for that handwritten feel. Fonts like Botany have nice flowing strokes, but choose any script that matches your style, elegant, casual, or bold. Increase the font size so your signature is legible at the final size you'll use. Adjust the color to something high, contrast, like black or deep navy for most documents, or white for darker backgrounds. For extra realism, try slightly adjusting letter spacing and using italics if the font supports it. If you want variations, duplicate the text and try a second script font so you can compare which looks more natural. The second method is freehand. Go to the Draw tool, often found under Elements. Pick a pen style you like. Pen or marker tools both work well, and set the stroke weight so the line looks confident but not too thick. Choose your color, then sign directly with your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen. Don't worry about perfection on the first try. Use undo or the eraser to refine, and make a few versions so you can keep the one that feels most like your real signature. If your hand is shaky, zoom in a bit and write slowly. Canva smooths lines slightly, which helps. When you are happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a crisp image. If you want a transparent background, which is ideal for emails and for placing your signature over documents without a white box, you'll need Canva Pro to enable the transparent background option. If you are using the free version, download with the current background and pick a background color that matches where you'll place it. You can also nudge up the size slider to get a higher resolution file, and name the file clearly so you can find it quickly later. That's it. Thanks for watching.